In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Eufy motion detection that is not working. First is to head inside the in-app settings. Go to the app main screen and head to security mode and head to the settings and ensure that the video and record and push notifications are on. In camera settings, you can also check the motion detection. Increase the sensitivity level. Example is if you use the task mode for indoor cams. So draw a specific zones to focus on critical areas and block irrelevant ones like streets. And ensure that it is set to detect all motion or people as needed, not just a narrow AI type. Next is to check the camera placement and also its hardware. Install it about 7 to 10 feet high, pointing towards movement paths, and avoid installing behind glass, and make sure that the camera has a strong Wi-Fi or home-based signal. And that's how you can fix UV motion detection that is not working, and thank you for listening.